How to change phone number on DoorDash driver app. So first up, you're going to want to open your app. And if you're on Android, you need to go to account details. And if you're on iOS, you need to visit the account details under the account tab, as you can see right here. And you need to click on profile. And you will be able to update your phone number through this method once you completed the two-factor authentication verification. And you have to keep in mind that the verification process must be completed and cannot be bypassed for any reason. Now, if you're on your laptop, on your desktop or mobile browser, you need to visit DoorDash.com and log in using your Dasher email and password. As you can see here, you need to sign in, click that. And once you do that, you need to click on the three lines on your left-hand side, go to account, and you'll also be able to update your phone number once you've completed the two-factor authentication verification. And similarly, this verification process can't be bypassed for any reason. And that is how you update your phone number on the DoorDash driver app.